Honest Hills Science Diet Adult 1 to 6 is a premium cat food specially formulated to meet the nutritional needs of adult cats aged 1 to 6 years. This diet is designed to provide balanced nutrition for maintaining lean muscle, supporting digestive health, and ensuring overall vitality. Here are some key features of the Honest Hills Science Diet Adult 1 to 6. Key features: high-quality protein. Made with high-quality chicken as the first ingredient, ensuring optimal protein for maintaining lean muscle and promoting healthy body condition. Natural ingredients. Contains a precise blend of natural ingredients, including essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It is free from artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives. Antioxidant blend. Enriched with a clinically proven antioxidant blend with vitamin C and E to support a healthy immune system. Digestive health. Formulated with a unique fiber blend, including prebiotics, to promote healthy digestion and ensure easy nutrient absorption. Skin and coat health. Contains omega-6 fatty acids and other nutrients to support healthy skin and a shiny coat. Balanced nutrition. Provides a perfect balance of essential nutrients to support overall health, energy levels, and vitality in adult cats. Palatability. Designed to be highly palatable to appeal to even the pickiest eaters, ensuring your cat enjoys every meal. Benefits. Supports ideal body weight, helps maintain an ideal body weight and promotes lean muscle mass, promotes healthy digestion. The fiber blend aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements, boosts immune system. Antioxidants help protect against cellular damage and support a robust immune response. Enhances skin and coat health. Omega-6 fatty acids nourish the skin and promote a glossy coat. Ensures overall vitality. Provides complete and balanced nutrition for adult cats to thrive. Feeding guidelines. Portion control. Follow the feeding guidelines based on your cat's weight and activity level to ensure proper portion sizes and prevent overfeeding. Transitioning to new food. Gradually mix increasing amounts of Honest Hills Science Diet Adult 1 to 6 with your cat's current food over a 7-day period to avoid digestive upset. Conclusion: Honest Hills Science Diet Adult 1 to 6 is an excellent choice for cat owners looking to provide their adult cats with high-quality, balanced nutrition. This diet supports overall health, energy, and vitality, ensuring that your cat remains healthy and happy throughout their adult years.